Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see if the Vivo Y200 have an in-display fingerprint sensor or a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on password and security. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on fingerprint. Now from here, just tap on fingerprint and pattern and draw your pattern. Now once you have drawn your pattern, just tap on next. Now from here, just draw your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Then tap on OK. Now from here, tap on done and tap on start enrollment. Now as you can see, the fingerprint sensor is placed under the display, as you can see. And this is how you can check if the Vivo Y200 has an in-display fingerprint sensor or a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.